Hello friends, my name is Saurabh and you are watching News Digital Tech. Today, in this tutorial, we will learn how to make a website and some main plugins that you should use in your WordPress site. Let's start the video. For making a website, you need two things. Number one, a domain name, and number two, a shared hosting. So let's start the video with domain name. If you want to buy a domain name, you should choose GoDaddy. Domain service providing is the best. So let's go to GoDaddy. Here we are at the home page of GoDaddy. Let's check a domain for of my website only, newdigitaltech.com. So here you can see it is already taken. Here it will also suggest some names like newsdigitaltechs.com. Here you can see it is giving for you for 200. Here you can see it is giving you for .com for 200 only. Let's add to cart. There is one problem, but add it and then go to cart. Here you will see there is a privacy protection bundle which asks for 300 rupees per domain extra. That means we can take out the person detail who have bought the domain name. So I will recommend you say no thanks. Um, and also the professional emails like admin@newsdigitaltext.com and other so on. We will create from cpanel only in another video. That is not a big task but easy one. So we will not choose hosting from GoDaddy. We will choose from another service provider. So continue to cart. You have shown at the GoDaddy that they will give you at 300 200 rupees. So but they are charging for 850 rupees per year, that plus tax is equals to 1000 rupees. So if you convert it to for 2 years, they will ask for 1 year same charges and extra charges of 200 rupees. You can see first year 200 rupees, second year 10249. So you can buy from here also. That's not a big deal. So now you can ask for the payment method you want, like net banking, debit card, credit cards, wallet, UPI, and other methods. Now for hosting. If you are on a budget and you want to buy a budgetary hosting plan, I will prefer you go with Namecheap. Link in description below. As Namecheap provide you with SSDs in their hosting, plus free SSL certificates and many more things. Their live chat support is very good. They will give help you in every problem. So, but you can see there are three plans. If you have 2 to 3 websites normally, you can go with Stellar Plus plan. Whereas you have more than 3 to 4 websites, I will prefer you go with Stellar Business plan. According to your needs, you can choose from them. If you not are on budget, I will prefer you go with SiteGround. Their service is best, but the plans are very expensive. I will show you. Here you can see the plans are little bit expensive and the sport is best, but let's see. Here you can see their startup plan is for $4 near about, where you can use only one website, whereas as you go unlimited website, but the storage is also limited. So if you are want a website that is fast and with best services, I will prefer you go with SiteGround, because a website take little bit space, not more than 1 GB total, maximum to max, with maximum facilities like e-commerce websites. Blogging take near about 50 MB maximum with hundreds of content. Prefer you for now beginning Namecheap, as I have speed up my website through many different ways. So you can go for Namecheap. And I will make another video with how to speed up your website using some plugins and CDN. So I have told you, if you don't want to ask the broker to buy that domain for you, so I will recommend you a website who is. whois.com. You can search for a domain like newsdigitaltech.com, my own website. As I have bought the privacy bundle, they will not show my details, but you can see News Digital Tech is unavailable and it will show some alternatives. So I will click on who is that taken domain. It will tell me about the when I have bought the domain, another registrars, and many more things. But I have privacy bundle, because of that no one will show my details. So you can see this. Let's go for now. Now we have bought the Namecheap hosting and GoDaddy domain, but we have to connect them. That is easy part, but some technical. We don't need any coding skills. So I will go to my dashboard where my products are available. When I go to my product page, they will show my domains. Here I am another website that is called herbstudio.com. So I will click on here. It will take some time. Now we have to change the name servers. Here it will show you I will use my GoDaddy's name servers, but you have to convert the option to I will use my own name server. As my name servers are already there, so you can see DNS1 namecheaphosting.com. I will give you the Namecheap name servers in the description down below. So you have to put DNS1 namecheaphosting.com. You can write it like that only, dns1.namecheaphosting.com and dns2.namecheaphosting.com. We will here use the shared hosting plan which has limited resources. If you want to a website like LMS, learning management site like Unacademies, um, Amazon type sites, Make My Trip sites, you can make easily with WordPress. If you are thinking you can use WordPress for blogging sites only, that is not limited. You can make crowdfunding sites like Patrons and many more. You can make also learning management system websites like Unacademies. You can also making social media accounts type website. You can make a job profile website. There are no limits of making a WordPress sites. You can also make a e-commerce websites that not limited. You can make different type of website without having a no coding skills. So let's go to Namecheap. As here I have to sign in first. It will redirect to my dashboard. So let's read. It has redirected to my dashboard. Go to cPanel now. I have many websites, so I have made a video on Herb Studio only. So it will redirect to my this page. Then if you have added with the main domain was that domain, so you don't need to do this step. Like when they were asking for your details, you have provided a domain that you have bought from GoDaddy. Only you have to change the name servers. No, not to do this step. If you add another domain, like go to domain like Herb Studios, uh, add a domain simply. Sometimes if you double click it shows this type of error. So this means your site is added to the Namecheap cPanel. So now go to domain, this one domain, click on domain. It will show you all websites which are present in the cPanel. Like I have Herb Studio is present here now. So now we have to install WordPress at your cPanel. Now go to software like as app installer. Now it will redirect to this page. The installation is very simple. We don't have to do much things. Go to WordPress, click on install. There are other CMS, but we don't want them. Uh, as WordPress is the biggest community that can give you many features. There are many communities. small community which give you CMS for free, but WordPress provide the best services. So the most famous CMS is only WordPress. You can also prefer Shopify and other CMS, Wix, but I will recommend you WordPress only. So I will choose my domain, herbstudio.com. Now, please change to HTTP, because if the SSL certificate is not installed, it will show you some errors and your website will not run best. So now you can change the website homepage name like Herb Studio. You can have a tagline like best. So you have to change the password from here. Like I'm changing to this, my name. I will hide that because I don't want to share the password. Here you should add your own email address like this. Then click on install. We don't have to do anything else. It will take to 10 to 12 seconds according to your internet connections. So it will redirect to this page. Here we have to click at Herb Studio will be admin. It will redirect to this page. It will take some time. It will show the WordPress dashboard. Now, I will clear the dashboard settings because I don't like many settings on my dashboard. Clear one. So I will clear all the things. Now, uh, if you, I am making a simple blog site and e-commerce websites are in another video. So we don't need anything else. So I will tell you how to set up a blog site. So we have to do nothing. I will tell you some settings. Blog post. Here you can write your content like it is a technical site how to make a website like this. Home pages like home and another affiliates and other things. And now comments will show all the comments, appearances. Here we can change the themes, sidebars, and etc. So we will go to themes now. If you see that the main page of our site don't look very well like this, I will open my site first. This don't look very well, so I will choose another theme. Uh, so I will not use a heavy themes like where, there are many heavy things, but I will not use it. So firstly, there are many themes, but I will not use them. I will use a simple theme. Click on add new. That is easily available. Color mag. COLORMAG. Click on install and click on activate. Now the other themes we have to delete it because it will have, as the other themes we have to delete them because they take some space from the hosting, so it can make a load on our website. So I will recommend to delete that uh, themes that we don't want, like this. First click on get started. Now choose a theme you want to install on your WordPress. Like if it is a blogging website, you can choose it from here. So I will choose the first one only. I Some of the themes are premium. You can buy them like this. Go to premium, buy now. Click on buy now. It will redirect to this page. They show you can get access to many themes like um, many other themes for $69. If you have a budget, you can buy that. if you don't have a budget, go for free one. So you can see here many other themes and many more features will be given to you, but I will recommend not to go with that. So I will cancel. I will go for import, confirm. It will take some time, but don't activate these plugins. So I will tell you an alternative in next videos. N- Now you can see the website. I will refresh the page once. It has imported all the things. Uh, Maybe it is overlapping each other. Here you can see there is some problem and I can customize here. Click on customize, or if you are on the WordPress dashboard site, click on here customize below the theme. So you will redirect to this page only. So I will customize my site now. Like it will show me some errors. So I will remove and I will click at here also remove. Click on remove. The this ad will disappear. At here you can put your logo and your website name, etc. and tagline plus. Here you can see there is also a ad, but I will not delete at the time because you can delete it easily. Click on this pencil icon near the ad and click on remove. Okay. Uh, Here you can see here is also an ad and click on this and remove for the timing. As you get your AdSense accounts approved, you can place an ad using a HTML code because I will show you an example like uh, here add a widget HTML. Here you can drag and drop from here or add it. Like here an HTML widget has come. Let me show you. You can place the HTML code here. As you can see, many things will be available. Social icons, link ID, and you all can also make your own menu. Click on here, uh, edit menu, or you can go for the go there and click on menu, and you can add menu and change here like primary menu, premium theme menu, and etc. Here you can see they show the dates plus latest post of yours. Here a search icon and random post. If someone click here, it will redirect to some any post that is available on your website. Here you can add categories. You can edit it by clicking on pencil or go to main page, widgets, uh, like right sidebar. It will show all the things like these. Then here is a footer menu. It will divide it into four parts that you can edit it easily. So as I don't like that header part, so I will choose some another thing, footer theme, footer option, display type 2, as I like it one. So I've already changed some things at my website only. So you can review some things like here clicking on this, it will show the post categories. You can change the title or give a description or remove a description. So it is according to yours. So I will not do anything else. um, I will go to the main part. I have done how to make a theme, changes themes, and so you go to now plugins. Plugins are the that give you extra features on your website. Click on box near the plugins. So deactivate all, apply, and then again click on that box and delete. Here it will deactivate and then delete all the plugins available. So I will not use these plugins, so dismiss the notice. So add new. Some plugins I will recommend you. Number one, I will recommend you one plugin, Elementor, because Elementor is a drag and drop page builder. If you have a website where you have affiliation programs, where you from Amazon's or from web hosting companies, uh, when you someone buy, you can make a separate page for that where you recommend some hosting plans. Like I will making in my website soon. When someone click on that, you will get commission and he will redirect it to that page where he can buy that hosting. So you can choose from there. You can make these type of pages very easily. I will install the Elementor page builder. It also have a premium version you can buy according to your needs, but you can also install some add-ons of Elementor only, like essential add-ons for Elementor, premium add-ons for the Elementor. There are tons of available. So I will left for here. Now we will install W3 total H's. It will increase the speed of your website. I will make a separate video for it that will be available very soon. Now activate it. We will activate all the plugins at later. Ultimate add-ons for Gutenberg. When you write a post, you will get some extra features uh, for your post writing with normal editor only. So we can use Gutenberg. Now, an SEO plugin, Rank Math. Rank Maths. You can install from here. Now, if we have to add a YouTube video on your website, so search YouTube, click on Embedded Plus for YouTube and Gallery. As you can see, it has more than 2 lakh active installation. All the plugins have more than 1 lakh active installation which we are using. So you can see from here also. Or W2, you can choose many of the plugins available according to your needs. That are tons of available. So now another last plugin is you when you post on your website, but you have to post again on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. So not you can post that post directly to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter without doing anything automation. So Nilo content. If you want to buy the premium version, you can also buy that.